This training video will show you how to track an FBA liquidations order after submission. Once you've submitted an FBA liquidations order, you can begin to track it. Here's a timeline of what you can expect once you submit an order. Day 0 is equal to the date when you submit the liquidation order. At this time, monthly and long-term storage fees stop accruing. Between days 0 and 30, the units in the liquidation order will go into reserved status. Within 30 days after submitting your liquidations order, we will have identified a liquidator and shipped your inventory to them. Approximately 60 days after you submit a liquidation order, you will have received payment from the liquidator. Now we'll show you how to navigate to the Removal Order Detail Report. From the Seller Central homepage, select the hamburger menu in the top left corner. Scroll down to Reports and select Fulfillment. On the next page, scroll down to the bottom left-hand side to find the Removals section. Click Removal Order Detail. On the Removal Order Detail page, you can view online or download a report. Use the drop-down menu for creation date, select your range, and then click Generate Report. Your results will populate and you'll be able to see the date of the order, order ID, order type, order status, requested quantity, completed quantity, canceled quantity, and in-process quantity. You can click on the order ID number at any time and you will be taken to a new window showing you the details of that order. Once any unit in the order has shipped, you can click on the View Recovery Summary button to go to the Liquidation Order Recovery Summary page, where you can match your removal order ID with your shipment ID and see the gross revenue you can expect to receive for each item shipped to the liquidator. Once a liquidator pays for the inventory, the revenue will appear in your payment reports. To get started with FBA liquidations, go to Seller Central and start creating your removal order. For more information, watch the remaining videos in the Seller University course. Thank you for learning about FBA liquidations.